And looks like he's not in a toilet, and this bee is sitting on the back of like a pot. And it looks like he's pooping in a pot, and the bee's trying to get up in that.
At Savoy Organizing, Antiques and Adventures, we help people declutter and also donate and dispose of items. And sometimes we find some really cool items, including this mystery box. We've never gone through this before. You're the first. You're the first to know with us what's in this box.
Yep. So this was given to me by a client that I'm working with who's trying to de-hoard her house. And I have found some pretty amazing things. Like this. This is I believe a monarch. No. It's the honey.
It's an antique honey.
A honey bottle.
An old honey bottle. Wow.
And another one.
Such painstaking care to
So it's called Sue Bee. So it's the Sue Bee
honey.
Sue Bee honey containers.
Oh, this one hasn't even, the cap hasn't even been put onto it. It's still attached. Interesting. Right. Oh, here we have a hand embroidered. Is this called embroidered? I don't know.
Quilted.
Hand quilted. A hand quilted mini square.
All right. So this looks like a little ashtray. Ashtray.
What's it say on there?
Scream Bee.
Scram Bee this ain't.
Scram Bee this ain't yo hive.
This ain't yo hive.
That is so cute.
Wow.
We have a beehive.
Is there what is this?
It's just a decorative. It's just a decorative beehive.
Oh, neat.
Yep, she loves her bees.
She does love her bees. Ooh, here we go. Here's another bee thing. This is it's got the top sealed on it. So this is would this be a bee?
Maybe a sugar container.
Maybe a sugar, like a little container. You put a little spoon in there and stuff, with a little bee on top. Beehive, made in. Oh, this is something ware. Maruto Toyo ware. Made in Japan. I don't know if that's right.
We have a little.
Put this in here.
We have a little bee.
Oh, little bee. Okay. Oh, another bee thing. What's this?
So this is
this has something in it.
I believe that this is cologne or like a perfume that's in a little bee hive jar.
And it's still in there.
Yes, it's.
Should we smell it?
If you want.
I don't know. How do I get it off?
Here.
Oh, you just flip it up.
Oh. So.
Oh, that's not bad.
Let me smell. Oh.
It's pretty good. If you want to smell like that, we need Scent-O-Vision.
Scent-O-Vision. All right, we have a beehive candle.
We have Winnie the Pooh in a little acrylic and wood backing. This is a cool little antique. Winnie the Pooh.
All right, so we got bee hive and bee stamps that she had in this box,
which go really well with this beehive.
So this
salt and pepper.
So this right here,
salt, pepper, and sugar.
I believe is a salt, pepper, sugar, little tray that you can sit on your table.
Yeah. Nice. Train whistles. Train whistles. Though I feel like I remember those little plastic whistles when I was before my time, like before I was actually.
So we have, this could be a cream container for coffee or tea.
Oh, yeah.
It's cute.
And it's a beehive.
Oh yes,
yeah.
Lots of bees.
Lots of bees. Lots of bees. What is this? I'm always afraid to unwrap things like this because I'm afraid that it's gonna just like.
It's gonna break.
I'm gonna ruin it. I don't even know what it is. Oh, another.
So it's more.
Another salt and pepper shaker. It looks like, yeah.
Yeah.
With a cute little handle.
Yes. Those are super cute. Oops.
All right, what do we got here? Do you think it's a beehive?
Yeah.
Feels like, oh, there we go. Made in Japan. These are handmade. These are not just your standard little, I don't know if you can see these.
Oh, she's
I'm gonna
got
come
one.
up here. Can you see that? I don't know.
So we have more
Made in Japan.
little,
So these are all, I think these are all Japanese, made from the same place.
yes.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Little stampy doos on the back. Yeah, Brins, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, made in Japan. So these are all,
All right,
they're all
we got
handmade in
more.
Japan.
Salt and pepper, little containers.
So those would be suitable, I think, for anybody who really likes bees, or if you're really into salt and pepper.
Right.
You have a lot of tables.
Or you just like to collect little knickknacks.
Oh, all right. So here's the other thing. The mentor, the honeybee. Learn one thing every day. August 1st, 1919 is when this is from. From the back of it, it's really kind of interesting. The Department of Natural History put these out, apparently. And the idea is make the spare moment count. So you'd have one of these things, and you can educate me. I don't really know what this is. I'm making it up as I go. But I'm using visual cues. Learn one thing every day. 20 cents a copy. This is the mentor. This service covers the needs of those who want to gain knowledge by an easy and agreeable method. Who doesn't want an easy and agreeable method? Send for our booklet descriptive of the Mentor Club. So this is the Mentor Club, the story of the honeybee. And yeah, this is super cool. The Mentor is published twice a month. So this is walking you through like how bees work, and all from 1919. Cool.
All right, and then the last thing in the box is an empty honey jar. I am not sure who manufactures it.
Oh, this was from a
Oh.
beekeeping club, it looks like.
And in Rock County. So this is actually in Wisconsin. So a container from Wisconsin.
So,
Right.
if you like bees, or you have a lot of salt and pepper that you would like to put into something, we've got your stuff here. So, like and subscribe if you like antiques, adventures, and more here with Savoy Organizing, and keep a lookout for our next live coming up soon. Should I just leave this rolling so you can goof around?
No, I'm good. I'm done. Can turn these things off.